Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Have you met Carrots the bunny? He is super cute. I just released him yesterday. He is a digital download. You can download him today and create cards right away. That's what I love about the digital images. So we're going to make this cute card using the Spring Wishes sentiment that comes with this digital set. Now I've printed him out 9 on a sheet, so you get a real nice size for your A2 size card. We're going to do some Copic coloring, real simple coloring. I'm going to use some pinks for his shirt. I'm going to color that carrot orange and color up the little bunny like a light tan color. He's super cute. I'm going to play some music and then I'll meet you on the other side and we'll finish up this card. Okay, I took my black glazed Jelly Roll pen to highlight his eyes. This pen kind of gives it a raised effect, so I really like the way it looks. I also added some glitter to the little carrot there, and I cut him out with my brother's Scan and Cut. He's very easy to fussy cut. The shape of him is very easy to cut around, so if you don't have a brother's Scan and Cut, don't worry about that. I cut a card panel out with my Wonky Stitch die, and then I also cut this grass out with a Lawn Fawn die. This is one of their older dies. It comes with a little butterfly and the tulips, so I thought it would be perfect for this scene. So the little raised areas in the grass, those could be the stems for the tulips. Now I cut the little tulips and the butterflies out with our new paper pad, Dots for Spring. So I thought it was perfect. It looks very spring and cheery. I used a circle punch to punch out the sentiment, spring wishes. And I'm just going to have that placed right on the side of the bunny there, and then have the 2 butterflies flying above, and then we'll have the tulips in the grass, and it's just a really cheerful scene. I added foam tape to the back of my sentiment and bunny so it'll be popped up. It'll give it some nice dimension. I also wanted to pop up the butterflies and the tulips, kind of to balance everything out. So I'm going to top this card off with some sequins to match the spring colors. I think it just looks so happy. I just love this card. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And the card to the left of it is a card that I made yesterday. You could see that on my YouTube channel as well. The link to the digital stamp will be in the description box for you. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I really do appreciate it. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.